Eddie looked into the deep blue sea. "What lives down there?" said he. "An octopus with 8 long arms. A crab that walks sideways with charm, harm. Swim, swim in the ocean blue. Splash, 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 what do you see too? Dive, dive down deep below. Ocean animals, go, go, go." A giant whale sang deep and low. Ow, ow, a dolphin leaped and put on a show. Ow, ow, a starfish waved with 5 bright arms. A jellyfish floated full of charm, harm. Ocean, 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 let's explore.